Hi everybody, so today we are going to continue talking about addition, and today we are going to be adding three numbers together. So let's get started. So we have our numbers horizontally, so the first thing we need to do is write them vertically. So I have 5 plus 7 plus 3, so we have 5 and 7 and 3. And they are all in the ones place, so I just line them up. And then I take two numbers at a time. So I don't try and overwhelm myself. I just take two numbers at a time. So I could do 7 plus 3. I could do 5 plus 7, whatever you're comfortable with. So I would like to do 5 plus 7 is 12. And then I can add that 3. So then 12 plus 3 is 15. So I know 5 plus 7 plus 3 is 15. My next one, 14, 12, and 9. And this is when you really need to be careful about lining up the numbers in their right place. So I have my 9, and if I put my 9 here, that's not correct. That 9 is in the 10 spot, and that turns that number into 90. So we need to make sure that that 9 goes in the 1 spot. So there we go. And now I'm ready to add. And again, you can choose any combination of numbers. I want to do 9 and 2, so I'm going to do 9 plus 2 is 11. And then I'm going to add 4 to it. So 11 plus 4 is 15. And remember, I can't just write my 15 down here because I'm still only in my ones column. So I put down my 5. I carry that 1. And then I have 1, 2, 3. So 14 plus 12 plus 9 is 35. Let's try my next slide. So now I have even larger numbers, and again, I'm going to write them vertically. So I have 42, 59, and 38. My addition sign. And again, any combination. So I'm going to go ahead and do these two. 9 plus 2 is 11, and then plus 8 is 19. And again, I'm still only in my ones column, so I'm going to put down my 9, carry that 1. Very important. I remember that's up there. And then again, 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3. So I'm going to do 4 plus 1 is 5, plus another 5 is 10, plus 3 is 13. So I have 139. And then my last one, I have 156. Again, really important that you keep them in the right place value. So 22 will go over here, and then 490. A little plus sign. Starting in my ones column, 6 plus 2 is 8. And then moving over, I'm going to do 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 5 is 16. Put down my 6, carry my 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So my answer is 668. And then I just threw in some word problems. So we have David the Dino. Here's David the Dino. Ate 23 leaves for breakfast, 78 berries for lunch, and 572 bugs for dinner. How many total things did David the Dino eat for the day? So I'm going to do my work over here. I have 23. I have 78. And I have 572. So see how that 5 is off by itself, because it is the only hundreds here. So again, start with two numbers. I'm going to do 8 plus 2 is 10. Always try and make it easier on yourself. So 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13. I'm going to carry that 1. 7 plus 7 is 14. 15, 16, 17. I'm going to carry that 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So my answer is 673 things that he ate for the whole day. And one more. David the Dino saw 125 friends on his morning walk. He then ate lunch in the cafeteria with 67 friends. At night, he went to the movies with 243 other friends. How many friends did David the Dino see today? He's a very popular dinosaur today. So again, I'm going to do my work over here. 125, 67, and and 243. Again, they are all lined up. You can see in each column. Oops. And then, there we go. Okay, so then 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So I'm going to put that 5 down, carry that 1. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So I'm going to put down that 3 and carry that 1. And then I have 2 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4. So my answer is 435. That's how many friends he saw that day. So now let me show you what you're doing for your work today. You have your Monday review. There are 12 questions. Really make sure that you are looking at the rounding questions. We worked on this 2 weeks ago, and so I need you to keep practicing it. It says rounding to the nearest 10, so you're underlining the 10 spot, circling the 1 spot, seeing if you're going up or down. And then you are also doing these 3 add-in addition problems. I believe there's only 10 of them. Same thing as last week, write them down on a white piece of paper. Put your answers in here, but also take a picture and submit your work so I can see how I can help you. And then you also have your Moby Max fluency facts today. That will only help you get faster with your addition so you can do these problems faster. Any questions, please let me know.